Hello guys, I'm Riley and today we're going to be making a rainbow loom ring with a fork and with the rubber bands. So first you need to make an X on your hand with the bracelets, and then you take two and don't put an X and put them on top, and it should look like this. And then you put the X's over it, and so you have this. And then you take your fork and you put it on. And it should look like this. On the front and on the back it should look like this. And then you take two more of whatever color you like and you put them together, and then you put them on top of it. And then you take the two from the bottom and put them over the fork, the other two. And then just keep doing that until you finished. And it's long enough for you to wear as a ring, and you can make a bracelet if you can make it long enough. But tomorrow I will start school, and I'm super nervous and excited because there's going to be some new students that I don't know and some students that I do know. I'm excited to see my teachers and meet my new teacher because there's going to be a new teacher in the classroom, and I'm going to be going into 4th grade. But there's only one other 4th grader, and there's only going to be one 3rd grade, a lot of 3rd graders, like 6 or 7. That's a lot for our classroom because our classroom is small, and there's going to be one 5th grader, and there's going to be a bunch of kindergarteners. There was 7 last year, and there was 5 2nd graders last year too, and one 1st grader, but there's going to be a bunch of 1st graders this year. And I have to get ready for school today because today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, and that's the day that I start school. So once you've put a lot of bracelets on, it should look like this. And you have your bracelets. And then you can add more if you want to. I'm going to add more because mine's not big enough. And also you see here, I've made some creations of my own too, like this. I've made a ring. With this is like the pattern that it's gonna be like. I've made a choker and I've made a chain. This is gonna go on my backpack for school. And so you're gonna keep adding some more bracelets if it's not big enough yet, but if it's big enough you can stop and put this little chain on it. But if it's not big enough, then just keep going until it's big enough. But you can add the chain whenever you'd like. Like you can add it right now if you'd like to, but you can add it at the end if you want to too. I'll add mine right now. But now I can make mine into a bracelet because I added the chain. But I'm only gonna make a ring. That's not big enough for a ring yet though. I'm gonna add this really pretty purple color and this really pretty blue. It sort of looks like a scorpion, but it's not one because it's only rubber bands. But I'm gonna add this teal color with the green. think that will fit me as as a ring. And you can take it off and put it back on and try it on if you want to. But this is big enough for me. And I'll show you it once I'm done putting the connector piece on. So this is the ring on my finger, and this is my other ring on my finger. So that's both the rings compared. This is the keychain again, if you didn't see it from before, and this is the choker on me. That's it for this video. Goodbye.